Welcome student to the class of veterinary biochemistry. In today's lecture we will deal with the nucleic acid metabolism. The metabolism of nucleic acid is nothing but the metabolism of bases purine and pyrimidine. In purine, adenine, guanine, and pyrimidine, thymine and cytosine and uracil. So first in this we will see biosynthesis of purine. The synthesis of purine is done contributed by number of compound which help in the synthesis of purine ring of nucleotide. Out of that, as we know, purine is a 9-member ring. So out of this, N1 of purine is derived from amino group of aspartate. Means aspartate group donate or give amino group for the in purine ring for N1, whereas second carbon and 8th carbon of purine ring is derived from format of N10 formyl tetrahydrofolate, whereas N3 and N9 are obtained from amide group of glutamine, whereas C4, C5 and N7 are contributed by amino acid glycine, whereas C6 is directly come from carbon dioxide. Purine bases are not synthesized as such but form as a ribonucleotide. The purine are synthesized or built on pre-existing ribose 5-phosphate. Means on ribose 5-phosphate all these compounds come and attach to each other to form purine ring. Liver is the major site for a purine nucleotide synthesis. Erythrocyte, polymorphonuclear leukocyte and brain cannot produce the purine. In first step, ribose 5-phosphate produced in HMP shunt is a starting material for purine nucleotide synthesis. It reacts with ATP to form phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. Then glutamine transfers its amido nitrogen to phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate to replace pyrophosphate and produce 5-phosphoribosyl amine. Means glutamine when transfers its amide group, it replaces the pyrophosphate of phosphoribosyl to give 5-phosphoribosyl amine. The enzyme phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate glutamyl amidotransferase catalyzes this reaction. This reaction is controlled by feedback mechanism by inhibition by nucleotide IMP, AMP and GMP. Whenever excess synthesis of IMP, AMP and GMP occur, they inhibit the purine biosynthesis. This reaction is a rate limiting or commutate step in purine nucleotide biosynthesis. At third step, phosphoribosyl amine react with glycine in the presence of ATP to form glycinamide ribosyl 5-phosphate or also called glycinamide ribotide. Then at fourth step, N10 formyl tetrahydrofolate donates the formyl group and product form is formyl glycinamide ribosyl 5-phosphate. Then at fifth step, glutamine transfer the second amino group to produce formyl glycinamide ribosyl 5-phosphate. Then at sixth step, imidazole ring of purine is closed in ATP dependent reaction to yield 5-aminoimidazole ribosyl 5-phosphate. Then at seventh step, carboxylation reaction occur in which carbon dioxide is incorporated in purine ring to yield aminoimidazole carboxylate ribosyl 5-phosphate. This reaction does not require biotin or ATP. Then aspartate condenses with above product to form aminoimidazole 4-succinyl carboxamide ribosyl 5-phosphate. Then adenosuccinate lies cleave off and in this fumarate is released. The only amino group aspartate retained to yield aminoimidazole 4-carboxamide ribosyl 5-phosphate. Then at 10th step, N10 formyl tetrahydrofolate donate 1 carbon moiety to produce form aminoimidazole 4-carboxamide ribosyl 5-phosphate. Then cyclohydrolase enzyme leads to ring closure with the elimination of water molecule. When this cyclohydrolase enzyme closes the ring, the product is formed is inosine monophosphate, also called IMP. This is the parent purine nucleotide from which other purine nucleotide can be synthesized. So here we will see the image of IMP synthesis. In first step, ribose 5-phosphate will be react with ATP to form 5-phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate. Then glutamine phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate amidotransferase is act, in which glutamine is given its molecule to form phosphoribosyl amine. Okay, in this pyrophosphate group is released. Here you see pyrophosphate group is replaced. Okay, then glycinamide ribotide synthetase enzyme is also called GAR synthetase, in which glycine molecule with ATP is incorporated to form glycinamide ribonucleotide. Okay, then this glycinamide ribonucleotide is acted by enzyme GAR. Here phosphoribosyl amine is acted by GR synthetase, in which glycine and ATP are used form glycinamide ribonucleotide. Then this glycinamide ribonucleotide is acted by glycinamide ribonucleotide transformylase because formyl group is added to form formyl glycinamide ribonucleotide. Then this product is act as a substrate for formyl glycinamide synthetase to form formyl glycinamide ribonucleotides. Then again AIR synthetase enzyme is act on formyl glycinamide ribonucleotide to form 5-aminoimidazole ribonucleotide. Then this 5-aminoimidazole ribonucleotide is acted by aminoimidazole ribonucleotide carboxylase to give carboxyaminoimidazole ribonucleotide. Then this carboxyaminoimidazole ribonucleotide is acted by succinyl 5-aminoimidazole 4-carboxymide ribonucleotide synthetase. In this aspartate and ATP are involved to form N-succinyl 5-aminoimidazole 5-carboxymide ribonucleotide. Then this is acted by adenyl succinate lyase to form aminoimidazole 4-carboxymide ribonucleotide. Then this 5-aminoimidazole 4-carboxymide ribonucleotide is acted by aminoimidazole carboxy transformylase, in which second formyl group is added to form N-formyl aminoimidazole 4-carboxymide ribonucleotide. Then this product is utilized by IMP synthase and form IMP. Now IMP, which is synthesized in purine nucleotide, which is act as a parent nucleotide from which AMP means adenosine monophosphate and guanosine monophosphate are synthesized. So first is synthesis of AMP. Inosine monophosphate is the precursor for formation of both AMP and GMP. Aspartate molecule condense with inosine monophosphate to produce adenyl succinate. Then GTP provide the energy for this reaction. Then adenyl succinate cleaves to form adenosine monophosphate. Similarly, synthesis of GMP. Inosine monophosphate undergo NAD dependent dehydrogenation reaction to form xanthosine monophosphate means XMP. Then glutamine transfer amide nitrogen to XMP which produce GMP. Here first we will see AMP synthesis and then GMP synthesis. Now this is the parent molecule inosine monophosphate. Then adenosyl succinate synthetase with the help of enzyme aspartate and GTP. It will form adenyl succinate. Then adenosuccinate lyase enzyme cleave up this product in which fumarate is released and form AMP. Similarly, IMP, which is the again parent nucleotide, from which IMP dehydrogenase in the presence of NAD it react to form XMP. Then glutamine along with water molecule by enzyme GMP synthetase it will synthesize the GMP. Means during synthesis of AMP GTP is utilizing, whereas during the synthesis of GMP ATP is utilizing. Means vice versa molecule are utilizing for the synthesis of each other. Purine biosynthesis regulation by feedback inhibition. Transfer of amino group to phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate to form 5-phosphoribosylamine catalyzed by allosteric enzyme glutamine phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate aminotransferase is inhibited by end product IMP, AMP and GMP. An excess of GMP in cell inhibit the formation of xanthylate from inosine by IMP dehydrogenase. Means if cell having excess of GMP, then that GMP will inhibit the formation of xanthylate from inosine by IMP dehydrogenase without affecting the formation of AMP. Means AMP will synthesis continue takes place, but GMP will inhibit its own synthesis. Similarly, an accumulation of adenylate means AMP inhibit the formation of adenyl succinate by adenyl succinate synthetase without affecting the synthesis of GMP. GTP is required for the conversion of IMP to AMP, whereas ATP is required for the conversion of IMP to GMP. Therefore, the vice versa inhibition takes place without affecting the synthesis of others. Whereas the inhibition of phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate synthesis by allosteric regulation of ribose phosphate pyrophosphokinase, this enzyme inhibited by ADP and GDP, means synthesis of phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate from ribose 5-phosphate is inhibited by ADP and GDP. Then now AMP and GMP are synthesized, from which nucleoside diphosphate and triphosphate will be synthesized. The AMP and GMP will be converted into corresponding di and triphosphate to participate in metabolic reaction. This reaction is achieved by transfer of phosphate group from ATP to AMP and GMP. For example, NMP means nucleotide monophosphate, which may be either adenosine monophosphate or guanosine monophosphate, will be converted into nucleoside diphosphate. This reaction is catalyzed by enzyme nucleoside monophosphate kinase, which transfer the phosphate group to NMP to convert it into NDP. Then NDP to NTP is converted by enzyme nucleoside diphosphate kinase. Here NMP is any nucleotide, maybe AMP, GMP. Okay, so it will be converted into nucleotide diphosphate by enzyme kinases. Then NDP will be converted into NTP by again enzyme kinases. Then NTP will be converted into NDP by phosphatase enzyme, and then NDP will be converted into NMP by again phosphatase enzyme. Then salvage pathway for purine synthesis. Till now we have discussed the de novo synthesis of purine. Now we will see the salvage pathway for purine synthesis. The free purine, adenine, guanine and hypoxanthine are formed in normal turnover of nucleic acid, particularly RNA. Means when RNA get degraded, free adenine, guanine and hypoxanthine are released. Okay, they also obtain from dietary sources. Means adenine, guanine and hypoxanthine we can also take in food. The purine can be directly converted to corresponding nucleotide by process called salvage pathway. Means here not one by one molecule are adding on ribose 5-phosphate. Here directly purine converted into their nucleotide form. Okay, the adenine phosphoribosyl transferase enzyme, it will form AMP from directly adenine, whereas hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase, also called HGPRT enzyme, convert guanine and hypoxanthine directly to guanine monophosphate and inosine monophosphate. The phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate is provided by ribose 5-phosphate. The ribose 5-phosphate will be converted into phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate, which will directly link with adenosine to form AMP. Similarly, phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate directly link with guanine and hypoxanthine to give GMP and IMP. So here see adenine. With the help of enzyme adenine phosphoribosyl transferase, phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate will be obtained from ribose 5-phosphate. They will link each other and form AMP. Similarly, hypoxanthine and guanine in the presence of phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate by enzyme hypoxanthine guanine phosphoribosyl transferase form IMP and GMP. The absence of activity of enzyme HGPRT leads to Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. Now, conversion of ribonucleotide to deoxyribonucleotide. So whatever AMP will be synthesized, it will be converted into ADP and ATP. So they will be ribonucleotide. Okay, but in DNA it required deoxyribonucleotide. So these ribonucleotides will be converted into deoxyribonucleotide. The synthesis of purine and pyrimidine deoxyribonucleotide occur from purine ribonucleotide. In this, reduction at second carbon of ribose sugar takes place. This reaction is catalyzed by enzyme ribonucleotide reductase. Ribonucleotide reductase provide the hydrogen atom for the reduction from its sulfohydryl group. Then reducing equivalent are supplied by thioredoxin, a monomeric protein with 2-cysteine residue. This enzyme is an NADPH dependent thioredoxin reductase which convert oxidized thioredoxin to reduced form. Then thioredoxin serve as a protein cofactor in enzymatic reaction. This all we will explain in next slide. Now here see, this is the ribonucleotide at which second carbon OH is present. Now it has to convert it into deoxyribonucleotide. Okay, so the enzyme ribonucleotide reductase in the presence of thioredoxin will be act on ribonucleotide. Okay, so this thioredoxin will transfer its hydrogen group from sulfur atom. Okay, so one hydrogen will combine with OH to form H2O and one hydrogen will be linked here. So now one oxygen is less, so it become now deoxyribonucleotide. When thioredoxin gives both its hydrogen atom, this thioredoxin become oxidized state. Now thioredoxin reductase, which is the NADPH dependent enzyme in which NADPH is donated its hydrogen to oxidized form of thioredoxin so that it again form the reduced thioredoxin. Again next ribonucleotide will be converted into deoxyribonucleotide. This way this recycling or cycle will take place to convert ribonucleotide to deoxyribonucleotide. Now till now we have discussed the de novo and salvage synthesis of purine nucleotide and then from that deoxyribonucleotide. Now we will see the degradation of purine nucleotide. AMP, IMP and GMP converted to respective nucleoside from adenosine, inosine and guanosine. This reaction is catalyzed by enzyme nucleotidase. Means nucleotidase enzyme will be act on AMP, IMP and GMP to convert them directly into adenosine, inosine and guanosine. Then amino group either from AMP or adenosine cannot be removed to produce IMP or inosine respectively. Then inosine and guanosine are converted to hypoxanthine and guanine respectively. This reaction is catalyzed by enzyme purine nucleoside phosphorylase. Adenosine is not degraded by this enzyme. Then guanine undergo deamination by enzyme guanase to form xanthine. Then that Again, hypoxanthine also converted into xanthine, and then xanthine is converted to uric acid. Then xanthine, this reaction is catalyzed by enzyme xanthine oxidase. This xanthine oxidase enzyme is a FAD containing molybdenum, iron, and exclusively found in liver and small intestine. The xanthine oxidase, when act on hypoxanthine to convert into xanthine and xanthine to uric acid, it liberates the hydrogen peroxide. This hydrogen peroxide is cleaved by catalase enzyme to produce water and oxygen. The uric acid, also called 2,6,8-trioxypurine, is the final excretory product of purine metabolism in human. Also, this uric acid can serve as a role of antioxidant. The antioxidant role of ascorbic acid in primate is replaced by uric acid. Okay, now we will explain the purine degradation. Okay, so AMP will be acted by AMP deaminase, adenosine monophosphate deaminase. So AMP will be converted into IMP. Then this IMP will be acted by enzyme nucleotidase, means phosphate group will remove, only inosine will be remain. Then this inosine will be acted by and converted into hypoxanthine, and then this hypoxanthine will be acted by xanthine oxidase to form xanthine. Similarly, guanosine monophosphate, it will be acted by nucleotidase, okay, to form guanosine. Then this guanosine will be converted into guanine by purine nucleotide phosphorylase enzyme, in which phosphate group and ribose sugar will remove to form guanine. Then guanine will be acted by guanase to form xanthine, means from AMP and GMP the common product xanthine is synthesized. Then from xanthine it will be acted by xanthine oxidase to form uric acid, which is excreted by reptile, bird and primates. In other animal, this uric acid will be acted by urate oxidase to form allantoin, and which is excreted by mammals. Then allantoin is acted by allantoinase to form allantoate, which is excreted by teleost fish. Then this allantoate is acted by allantoicase to form urea, which is excreted by cartilaginous fish and amphibious animal. And then this urea is further acted by enzyme urease to release ammonia, which is excreted by marine and invertebrates. Other than primates, oxidize uric acid by enzyme uricase to allantoin, where purine ring cleave. Then allantoin is converted to allantoic acid and excreted in some fishes. Degradation of allantoic acid produces urea. Urea is degraded to ammonia in marine invertebrates. The hyperuricemia refers to the elevation of uric acid in serum. Increased uric acid excretion called uricose urea. If the uric acid excretion in urine takes place. Gout is a metabolic disease, is associated with overproduction of uric acid. At physiological pH, uric acid is more soluble as a sodium urate. In severe hyperuricemia cases, crystal of sodium urate deposit in soft tissue, particularly in joints. Such deposits are commonly known as tophi. Next is biosynthesis of pyrimidine nucleotides. The synthesis of pyrimidine is much simpler compared to purine nucleotides. Aspartate, glutamine and carbon dioxide contribute to the atom in the formation of pyrimidine ring. So here pyrimidine ring is first synthesized and then attached to ribose 5-phosphate, whereas in purine nucleotide synthesis, purine ring is synthesized on itself on ribose 5-phosphate, whereas pyrimidine ring first synthesized and then linked to ribose 5-phosphate. So here glutamine transfers amido group to carbon dioxide to produce carbamyl phosphate. This reaction is catalyzed by enzyme carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2 at the expense of ATP, means ATP are utilizing in this reaction to form carbamyl phosphate from glutamine and carbon dioxide. This carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2 is activated by ATP and phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate and inhibited by UTP. Then carbamyl phosphate is condensed with aspartate molecule to form carbamyl aspartate. This reaction is catalyzed by enzyme aspartate transcarbamylase. Then dihydrogenase enzyme catalyze the closure of pyrimidine ring with the release of water molecule. This carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2, aspartate transcarbamylase and dihydroorotase, these all three enzymes are present on the same protein, means they are the multifunctional protein. In next step, orotate is formed from in the NAD dependent dehydrogenation reaction. When this orotate is formed, that orotate is linked with ribose 5-phosphate to form orotidine monophosphate. This reaction is catalyzed by enzyme orotate phosphoribosyl transferase, and this enzyme similar to HGPRT reaction in which orotate is directly linked with ribose 5-phosphate group. So OMP undergo decarboxylation reaction to form uridine monophosphate, and this reaction is catalyzed by enzyme OMP decarboxylase. Then this UMP is converted into UDP by ATP dependent kinase. Then UDP serve as a precursor for the synthesis of deoxyuridine monophosphate, deoxythymidine monophosphate, then uridine triphosphate and cytidine triphosphate. Ribonucleotide reductase convert uridine diphosphate to deoxyuridine diphosphate by thioredoxin dependent reaction. Thymidylate synthetase transfer methyl group from N5N10 methylene tetrahydrofolate to produce deoxyribothymidine monophosphate. Then CTP is synthesized from UTP by amination. This reaction is catalyzed by cytidine triphosphate synthesis, and glutamine provide the nitrogen. Now we will explain the synthesis of pyrimidine. Okay, so first carbon dioxide and glutamine, they condense in the presence of ATP form carbamyl phosphate. Okay, here enzyme carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2 is act. Then carbamyl phosphate along with aspartic acid in the presence of enzyme aspartate transcarbamylase form carbamyl aspartic acid or aspartate transcarbamylase. Okay, then this carbamyl aspartic acid is acted by enzyme dihydroorotase to form dihydroorotate acid. Then this dihydroorotic acid undergo dehydrogenation reaction by enzyme dihydroorotate dehydrogenase to form orotic acid. Then orotic acid is acted by enzyme orotate phosphoribosyl transferase to form OMP. Okay, here phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate link with orotic acid to form OMP. Then OMP undergo decarboxylation reaction by orotidylic acid decarboxylase to form UMP. Then UMP is converted into UDP by ATP dependent kinase enzyme. Then this UDP again undergo phosphorylation reaction to form UTP. Then to this UTP glutamine transferase amino group in the presence of ATP by enzyme CTP synthesize cytidine triphosphate. Okay, in similar another reaction UDP is acted by ribonucleotide reductase enzyme to convert it into deoxyribonuridine diphosphate. Then this deoxyuridine diphosphate is converted again into deoxyuridine monophosphate. Then N5N10 methylene tetrahydrofolate give is methylene group in the presence of enzyme thymidylate synthase to synthesize thymidine monophosphate. In this way, adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine and uracil synthesis takes place. Then regulation of pyrimidine synthesis. In bacteria, aspartate transcarbamylase is a committed step or rate limiting step. This aspartate transcarbamylase is controlled by feedback mechanism by the end product cytidine triphosphate, whereas Carbamyl phosphate synthetase 2 is a regulatory enzyme in animal. It is activated by phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate and adenosine triphosphate and inhibited by uridine diphosphate and uridine triphosphate. Then degradation of pyrimidine. The pyrimidine nucleotide undergoes similar reaction like that of purine nucleotide. It liberates nitrogenous base like cytosine, uracil and thymine. Then these bases are degraded to highly soluble product called beta-alanine and beta-aminoisobutyrate. Then this beta-alanine and beta-aminoisobutyrate produce acetyl coenzyme A and succinyl coenzyme A. Then salvage pathway for pyrimidine synthesis. The pyrimidine can directly convert it to respective nucleotide. This reaction is catalyzed by enzyme pyrimidine phosphoribosyl transferase. Here phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate is used as a source of ribose 5-phosphate, means ribose 5-phosphate is obtained or give phosphoribosyl pyrophosphate.